नमस्कार. हेडोनच्या ह्या आयच्या कार्यावळीत तुमकां सगळ्यांक येवकार. आमचे बरोबर आसात कलंगूटचे आमदार भाजपाचे फुडारी मायकल लोबो. हू इज ऑन अ वॉर पाथ विथ हिज ओन पार्टी दीज डेज. मायकल बाब, स्वागत तुजें. कितें जालां अशें, कितें बिगडलां, इतलो पिकार कित्याक तूं स्वताच्याच पार्टीचेर?
सी फॉर मी पार्टी इज फर्स्ट. भारतीय जनता पार्टीन प्रवेश केल्यार म्हाका मार्चान 9 वर्सां जातलीं, 9 years. आमी लास्ट इलेक्शन जेन्ना 2007 दिलीप परुलेकर जिखलेलो तेजे 1 वर्स पयलीं दोतोर विलीक उडोवपाक BJPन येयल्ले आनी पयली मिटींग जाल्ली मनोहर पर्रीकाराच्या घरा म्हापशां खोर्ले. सो आय हॅव सीन BJP party is a party with a difference. It's a good party with a difference than the other party. But there are few people who are in the party who are trying to put this party down. They are on a very good position today. So जे मनोहर पर्रीकाराचे विजन आसलें गोंया खातीर पार्टी विथ अ डिफरन्स व्हरपाक, ते लोकांनी 7 वर्सांनी पयलें जेन्ना काँग्रेस चलयताली राज आनी आमी जिखोन येयले 2012. ते मनोहराचे vision for Goa and Goans and for the youth was a different vision. And when we came to power for the last 3 years, everything was going well. All of a sudden, things are slightly going in a wrong direction.
What are you saying? की मनोहर पर्रीकार गोंयांतल्यान दिल्ली वतगीर ताजें विजन सुद्दां गोंयांतल्यान दिल्ली गेलें?
नो, मनोहर पर्रीकर आमचो लिडर आसलो, ताका आमी फॉलो करताले. म्हाका दिसता जर तर गोंयान आमी 21 आमदार भोवमतांनी निवडून येयले आनी इवन MGP आमच्या वांगडा एलायन्सान आसले ते प्लस इंडिपेंडंट लोक येयले. लोकांक एक आख्खे गोंयच्या लोकांक एक मनोहर पर्रीकाराचें विजन जें आसलें, जे एक मनोहर पर्रीकाराची एक लायकनस आसली लोकांक, ती लोकांनी ओळखून घेवन आमकां ह्या सत्तेर हाडले. पूण तो गेल्या उपरांत हें वसोंक ना. आमचो चीफ मिनिस्टर जो आतां आहा तो एकदम बरो मनीस. बाब लक्ष्मीकांत पार्सेकर इज अ very good man. He was party president then. But there are certain functionaries in the party who are trying to disturb everything. They have to change themselves. This is what I feel. I have seen it very closely. This is what I feel.
What are you saying? You are saying that party functionaries are becoming more powerful than the elected representatives?
Yes, this is what I feel. Earlier when our ex-chief minister was there, this was nothing like this happening. He always helped us for doing good work in the constituency and for Goa and Goans. Ex-chief minister, nobody was interfering.
मनोहर पर्रीकार दिल्ली वतकच कंट्रोल गेला.
See, new chief minister आता take over केला. To take control of the entire administration, it will take some time for him. But he is a good person. But finally, somebody else is trying to control, which is wrong.
Who is not an elected representative?
Who is not an elected representative. I feel for me, my party is first. I will never leave my party. But there are certain people who are trying to throw me out of the party.
मायकल बाब, एक गजाल सांग म्हाका की मनोहर पर्रीकर was the only power center when he was in Goa. ते तुमचे मेजर पॉवर सेंटरच दिल्ली शिफ्ट जाले. Now there are multiple power centers getting created, equations getting rebuilt, and that is making you uncomfortable.
See, we have to work like a team. We are MLAs, there are ministers, there is chief minister. This should be a team, and nobody should try to put somebody down just for their personal gain or personal interest.
That is
we are working for Goa. आमी गोंयकारा खातीर काम करता. आमी जिखोन येयल्या त्या खातीर. सो हे म्हाका दिसता काय पार्टी फंक्शनरीज आहा तेंचे तोकलेन वचपाची गरज आहा.
कितें करतात पार्टी फंक्शनरीज? ताचो तुका त्रास जाता?
See, I'll tell you, I don't even have to talk about that. Everybody is looking at that.
कितें
उलोवपाची गरज ना.
What is your main disgruntlement?
See, there are so many things which I actually don't want to talk anything against any of my party functionary, but I am giving a clear signal. Yes, there is lot of interference in lot of department. They need to be there to build a party and not to govern the government is there, chief minister is there, deputy chief minister is there, ministers are there, the bureaucracy is there. Please do not get involved in that.
Let the legislature do its job
Yes.
and let the party do its
Yes,
job.
100%.
Let party not overstep, let legislatures also not overstep. That is what you are saying.
100%. This is what I
जेन्ना लास्ट वीक शॅक्सांचो इशू जालो, इशू भितर डिटेल्सा भितर वचपा नाका, बिकॉज इट्स अ इम्पॉर्टंट इशू बट अ डिफरंट इशू. जी आउटबस्ट तुम्ही दाखयली, व्हेरी फ्रँकली एज अ जर्नलिस्ट आय विल टेल यू की दॅट आउटबस्ट वॉज नॉट रिलेटेड ओनली टू दॅट इशू. तुजे भितर किती तरी कितलेशेच दीस खतखत्ताले त्या इशूक लागून यू दॅट आउटबस्ट केम आउट. सो वॉट हॅपन? आणि तू बीजेपी परस ओपोजिशन एमएलए चड दिसपा लागलो त्या इशूचेर, इतलो तू सरकाराचेर पिकार जालो.
सरकाराचेर पिकांक जावंक ना, हांव इंडिव्हिज्युअलाचेर पिकार जालो.
इंडिव्हिज्युअल
सगळे जाणा की हांव ट्युरिझम मिनिस्टराचेर पिकार जालो म्हणून, बिकॉज ही डजंट नो हाऊ टू रन द ट्युरिझम डिपार्टमेंट एज अ हेड ऑफ द ट्युरिझम डिपार्टमेंट. ही शूड बी द गायडिंग फोर्स. तो आमचो गायड, तो आमचो ट्युरिझम डिपार्टमेंटाचे हेड, म्हणजे आमी बापूय म्हणटा, बापायन भुरग्यांक गायड करपाक जाय. आमी धाकटे भुरगे तेजे, आमी आमदार. आमकां तेणे
अशें पयलें आमकां खंयच दिसना तो बापूय आनी तुमी बारीकशे भुरगे ताचे बी
ना, आमी
फाटलीं 3 वर्सां असली केन्नाच चित्र दिसलें ना आमकां.
ना, ही हॅज टू हेल्प अस, ही हॅज टू हेल्प द पीपल फ्रॉम द कोस्ट. ट्युरिझम वयर काडपाक जाय तेणे वयर काडच्या शिवाय तो सोकला घालता ट्युरिझम. इट इज नॉट अ चार्ज फ्रॉम मी, इट इज द पीपल हू आर टॉकिंग. लोक कोस्टल बेल्टाचे जे ट्युरिझम रिलेटेड बिझनसान आहा, रिसॉर्ट ओनर्स, रेस्टॉरंट ओनर्स, शेक ओनर्स, वॉटर स्पोर्ट ओनर्स, कोल्लेय जावं ते, ट्युरिस्ट टॅक्सी ओनर, कोणाकूय विचार तूं, यू टेक देअर व्यू, दे विल टेल यू द ट्रूथ, दे विल नॉट टेल यू द लाईज. I am not telling lies over here. I respect the tourism minister very much. But as a minister, he has to see that tourism goes up in Goa and does not go down in Goa, which is gone down today. And one of the main reason is wrong decisions, wrong direction.
Like what?
You look at anything for the last 3 years, not 3 years, for the last 1.5 years, he has spent 20 crores to bring tourists to Goa. हाडल्या ट्युरिस्ट, कितले हाडले ट्युरिस्ट म्हाकाय कळपाक जाय. हे ट्युरिस्ट जे येयल्या, हांव तांकां एवरी सेकंड डे मेवतात, ते आपले ओन हेचेर येयल्या. दे लव गोवा, द हॉस्पिटॅलिटी ऑफ गोवन्स, they love the beaches, the sand, the shacks, the warmth of the Goans. And here when they come, they see a different picture. There they are going for a road show. They spend 20 crores for that. कितें केलें? हाडले ट्युरिस्ट काय धाडूंक ना. इंग्लिश ट्युरिस्ट डिक्लायन जाले, रशियन ट्युरिस्ट येवंकूच ना. श्वेस रिपब्लिकाक गेले. श्वेस रिपब्लिक म्हणून एक कंट्री आहा आनी ती मॅपारूच दिसना वर्ल्डाचे, धाकटुली आहा ती. थिंगासून एकूय ट्युरिस्ट येवंक ना. अमेरिका गेले ट्युरिस्ट हाडपाक, हांव नको खंयचे अमेरिकन हिंगा गोंयांत येयले पळय ते. आतां खंय हालींच खंय कितें खंय तरी इटाली काय खंय तरी गेले. स्पेनाक स्पेनिश कोणूच येयना हिंगा गोंयांत. आख्खी इंडियेक कोण भोंवपाक वयता कोण येता? 100% जंकेट्स. इट इज नॉट I am saying entire Goans will tell you.
ह्याच गजाली खातीर असो हो जो फोकस येवपा जाय म्हणून an IAS officer was put in charge of the tourism department as director of the department. आता तुमची ताजे बरोबरी जमना?
No, he is a very good officer. Very good officer. But I want him to have independent charge of tourism. Can the government give that?
How can government give that?
I have requested.
You don't want a minister for tourism department?
No, minister is there only, but he's given 4 additional charge.
What is wrong with Dilip Parolekar?
He doesn't have a vision for tourism. He is only interested in spending the money of the tourism department and tell the people, आमी इतले पैसे मोडल्या tourism वाडोवपाक लागून. तो फिगर्स दिता, इतले पैसे मोडल्या म्हणटा. ट्युरिस्ट खंय येयल्या? हांवें तितूंच म्हटलं अंडरवेअर ट्युरिस्ट हाडले म्हणून आख्खे वर्ल्डाक भोंवलो ट्युरिस्ट हाडपाक. No, I still stand by my comment. Whole world he roamed to bring foreign tourists to Goa. He could not bring foreign tourists to Goa, so he brought Indian underwear tourists. I don't want to defame my Indians. Indian underwear tourists इतल्याकूच लागून म्हणटा की ते हे not only on the beach, they are walking on the road also with underwears.
तुझी कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी पळय, आज जें जालें, इट इज अ व्हेरी सिरियस थिंग. तूं म्हणटा की आपूण इनडेफिनेट हंगर स्ट्रायकार वता अगेन्स्ट डान्स बार्स. तूं म्हणटा की आज तुजी कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी भितर कांय डान्स बार्स उडयली. लिगल इल्लिगल हाजे आतां पंचनामो जातलो. what is the real story and why a ruling party MLA has to fight so much to close dance bars in Goa?
See, dance bars were there before I could become MLA.
Barabar.
When I
But
became
then
MLA,
you are fighting for so long,
No, no.
and there is no result, and somebody is going and demolishing it today.
No, I am. When I became MLA, आम्ही PI रापोज म्हणून हाडलो नॉलाश्कर रापोज तेणे ही सगळी डान्स बारा 8-9 कितें हाडली
Very good officer.
या 9 डान्स बार तेणे बंद केली कशी केली ती म्हाका दिसना म्हाका हांवें एकूच लेटर बरयलें तेका एक SP एक CMाक मनोहर पर्रीकर only phoned him once all these dance bars have to stop 1.5 year dance bar बंद आसली the minute he went he was transferred from there new officer whoever came dance bar started now all those dance bar owners had earlier also come to me when I became the MLA with money that they came with money with a bag they all said that we will contribute every month 25 lakhs to see that these dance bars are kept open and we want your blessing we don't touch that type of money impossible everybody knows that so ही डान्स बारां तरी आसतना स्टार्ट जाली म्हणजे खंय तरी कोण घेतालो पयशे हांवें कितलीच
You
लेटरां
are
केली
making an open thing that they tried to bribe you with 25 lakh rupees. They
Every
were
month.
ready to spend 25 lakh rupees on bribe every month.
All
And
of them
now you are
contributing.
suspecting that those 25 lakh rupees are going into somebody's pocket.
not
And that's
suspecting why you are saying suspecting this is the truth this is the reality and all people in Kalangut knows about it
why. Where is the money going?
somebody must have been taking the money I shouted so much I spoke on this issue in the assembly I spoke on this issue with all the police officers even deputy collector issued stoppage of 2-3 dance bars but finally somehow or the other they tried managing somebody or the other and got them started
You are making a direct charge that तुझ्या कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सीतली डान्स बार सुमार 25 लाख रुपयांचो हप्तो दिवन चलतात
चलताली
मागीर आज कितें जालें?
1.5 वर्स हांव आमदार जालो 1.5 वर्स बंद जाली परतून स्टार्ट जाली
हय.
आय ट्रायड स्टॉपिंग 3-4 बंद पडली देन आय ट्रायड स्टॉपिंग I went even to the extent of doing lot of things like writing different letters to different departments, excise, police, collector not, deputy collector, home secretary, chief minister, सगळ्यांक. So that टायमार मातसो हे दबाव येतालो बंद जाताली परत चालू जाताली. आयज गांवचो लोक एक जालो. आख्खो गांवचो कालांगूट कांदोली बागा आमकां ही डान्स बारां नाका आमकां हें prostitution जे this is a front of prostitution. Even some of the people from press came inside along with me once. They didn't know I was MLA and they even clicked photographs inside. What is happening inside? They are fronts for prostitution. So simply today everybody got hands together, joined hands, and they have, I think, broken down so many dance bars. I went to control the crowd, I could not control. There was so much of crowd. People were fuming. They were against the Goa police for allowing such type
Michael
of
Ba,
dance bars to operate.
You are a powerful MLA from ruling dispensation, and you are saying your government is not supporting you to shut down dance bars.
See, I'll tell you, my full support from ex-chief minister I had. Even this chief minister is supporting me. But you know how the bureaucracy works. I cannot blame my government for this. I blame the bureaucracy for this. You know, there are so many departments when you want to shut down something. Then there is finally court. लोक वयता कोर्टान आनी स्टे हाडटा. So आयज लोकांनी कितें केलें? लोकांनी वाजले and they took law in their hand and they